Hello people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. So I have my plantain here, it's already washed. So I'm going to be air frying it. So let me start cutting. So I will take off the skin first. Okay, now I'm going to start taking off the skin of the plantain. This plantain is so good. Look at it's so good. I'm gonna be making bole, so I will cut it into, let me say, into 3 because I'm gonna be using air fry, so I will cut it into 3. Gonna be doing bole. This plantain is so strong. Look at the way the skin is going off. Oh, it's like plantain from Africa, straight from Africa. See? Look at it. So good. So I'm going to be putting the plantain on my air fry because I'm going to use the air fry. So I just place them inside my air fry. I'm going to be doing bole. When I put it on, okay, now I'm going to check the plantain to see if, oh, look at that, oh my god, look at, oh, air fry, look at how beautiful it looks. Look at, oh my god, this is so nice. Okay, I have to leave it a little bit more, maybe for 2 minutes. You can use it, you can eat it with your peanut. So I'm going to be using this with my peanuts. Look at, I'm going to be eating it with peanut. It's very good. You can use it with oil, or maybe your stew, or egg sauce, anything you feel like to eat it with, or beans. Some people eat it with beans, but me, I like it with peanut or red oil. You know, that African style, I like that. I like it with red oil or peanut. So it's good with beans, it goes with red oil, it goes with peanut. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that when next I upload a new video, you will be the first to notify. Thank you very much. Thank you for my old and new subscriber. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Bye bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting